What is good, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss MESHA, and I am back with another, what do you call those, lit video. I am about to be all out of character today. I'm about to be acting ratchet. So, he think about to go on vlog today? Oh, no, Y'all hear me? I'm about to be acting ratchet. So, with that being said, stay tuned. Win. Take it all day. Excuse me.
Don't be fucking.
What did you? What?
Oh my god!
What?
I'ma act like I ain't even hear you say what you just said. It's cops on.
Oh my god. So, can we go to McDonald's?
McDonald's.
Yes.
McDonald's for what?
I'm hungry.
Don't you get tired of eating?
I eat all the time. What is you saying? You know me.
I'm gonna tell you right now, you're not going nowhere.
Come on, let's go. What is you saying? Can you put my music on? For real.
I'm not playing no music.
Why?
Because
Why you can't play no music?
I don't want to hear no music.
I do. Do it, baby, stick it, baby, lick it, baby. Hey, that's my song right there. You know. What you saying? You know how I be. You know how I be. You know how I be. Come on now. You know me. Real ass bitch, get a fuck by the nigga. Yes. Twerk. You feel me?
I just told you it's cops over here. You want to take that seatbelt off?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, all right.
You got some money?
I got some money.
Yes.
You know I got some. Look.
Okay, so we going to McDonald's and you gonna give me what I want to eat, right? You know, I want a bacon cheeseburger.
Why is you so fucking loud in my ear?
Because, so you can hear me. This is how I am. This is how I am.
God damn. Shit.
Act up, you can get eggs.
Alright, I'm glad.
Yes.
I'm glad I'm taking you to McDonald's. I ain't got time to be taking you out to no public acting like this.
What you mean? This is me. What are you talking about?
I know this is you.
This is me. What are you saying?
Misha, you don't act like this.
Yes, I do.
I don't know who.
Since when? This sound like Misha with the braid.
You sound like
Hey.
you sound like a damn Shanae.
Shanae.
Yeah, Shanae.
Shanae. That is my girl right there off of Martin. Yes. What?
I'm not moving this car until you get your
What?
life together.
Can you go to McDonald's?
I'm gonna take your ass to McDonald's.
Okay, take me to McDonald's. I want a bacon cheeseburger. Bacon cheeseburger. Bacon cheeseburger. Yes.
Is you serious?
Yes.
I'm dead ass serious, Misha. You're not. I'm not.
Wait a minute, can you go to this gas station right here? I need me a juice. Matter of fact, we can get it. We can get it from McDonald's. I'll give me a iced tea. Iced tea.
Iced tea.
Yes. Yes. An iced tea.
I'm sorry. I can't deal with you.
This your gum? You know this is my favorite gum right here. Hey, boo.
You gonna keep playing with me?
What are you talking about? You know I love you. I love you.
Misha, look at another car. I swear to God, do that shit one more time.
Oh my God, why is you acting like this?
No, why are you acting like this? What are you talking about?
This is me. What are you talking about?
This ain't no this. Girl,
Oh my God, you doing the most. For real.
No, you doing the most. Can you stop eating your gum like that?
What are you talking about?
It's irritating my ears.
Huh? What is you saying?
Cause you keep smacking the gum. Oh, what about this truck? This bitch raggedy as hell. What about this truck?
What's wrong with it?
You was just look at his truck. Look at his truck.
I know.
Now look at this truck.
What's
what about
wrong
this
with
truck?
it? What's wrong
What
with
about
it?
this truck?
Ain't nothing wrong with it though. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Oh, Hey, boo.
Get up. Get up. No, get out.
Now you order my food, and I want me a blue slushie.
No, you order your own food.
Ain't order back.
No, you order your own food.
Order back to me.
Tell them what you want.
Hi. Okay, so
Go
can
ahead.
I get a blue slush?
What you want to do? Blue slush, did you say?
Yes.
What size you want to do it?
A small, please.
Go ahead, small.
Medium is fine.
Medium, fine.
Yes.
Blue.
Yes, blue. Can I get hold on. A bacon cheeseburger. Yes. And that'll be, y'all want something? Yep. Hold on, let me see if they want something. You want who? Can I get a hot chicken? What is it, buffalo? Yes. You want boneless? Boneless is fine. Do you want something?
I'm straight.
Just the wings. What kind of sauce you want, Kaya? Huh? Ranch, please. You want a slush? You want a slush? You want a slush? That'll be it. Thank you so much.
Man, you gotta be on some prank shit. I swear to God, you would not order no food like that.
What is you? This is
You
how
gotta-
I
you gotta
act.
be
I
on
don't
some-
know what you talking about. Don't do me.
Then you talking about
Don't do me.
Yeah, let me roll this window up.
Don't do me. You got this?
Man, I'm not about to, Misha, I'm not about to pay for nothing.
Oh my God,
I'm
dang.
not paying for you. No,
Why?
you straight.
How much? You know what? I got it. Let me just find my money. Let me find my money. Hey. So. Damn.
Wonder how many corners you had to hit to get that.
Don't worry about it, baby. But you know, I still love you. So. What you talking about?
You want some bullshit.
About to get this slush, this blue slush at that, blue. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. You dropping my change. I need all this. I need all of this. Dang.
Thank you.
My blue slush, yes. Yes.
You see how she was looking at me? She had touched my hand and everything.
Did she? Oh my God. Let me touch her head too. So. Boo. Hey. Excuse me.
Girl, come.
Did you guys want sauce on it?
Do you want some sauce? Ranch, please. Just ranch dressing.
Okay.
Thank you. This is so good. You should try this.
I don't know where your lips been. I can't take you nowhere.
My lips is perfectly fine. Boo. Boo. Alright. Woo woo! Hey!
I'm about to lock my windows. You can't. Don't touch another window.
You want some of this
Don't
slush?
touch another window.
Maybe you'll feel good if you drink some of
I'm
this
good. I got
slush.
pop, man. Come on now.
Alright.
Why you so loud?
What you talking
Shut
about?
Jesus. You trying to order food.
Look here.
Get on stuff.
I'm not being ghetto. This
You are.
is me.
Misha.
This is how I act. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
I don't blame her. She hurry up and close that damn thing on your
Wait a minute. No, hold on. Hold on, because I gotta make sure they got this right. I asked for a bacon burger.
Nigga, no, you asked for a bacon cheeseburger.
I asked for
You said bacon cheeseburger.
I don't want this. I don't, Too good for that.
You know what? I'm about to hurry up and take your ass home. I'm sorry, I can't do this shit today. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
What you mean?
I'm taking you home.
Can you go to the gas station?
I'm not taking you no fucking where.
I want a donut.
I don't care what you want.
I want a donut.
Take your ass home.
Why are you taking me home?
I'm taking you home. I can't deal with you right now.
Well, they gonna take me to the bus stop because I can get on this bus right here.
What? You wanna go on the bus?
Yes. I can get on the bus.
Y'all get on the bus? Yeah, you gonna get to walking. I'm not playing with you.
Oh, look at that car right there. Woo! Look at it.
This better be a prank.
Look.
This better be a prank.
Look.
I see the damn car. Now leave me Misha.
What?
Leave me alone.
What I do to you?
Cuz, bro.
Baby, you know I love you. I love you. What you talking about?
Misha.
You take me to the bus stop. I ain't got a bus.
Okay. I'll drop you right up. You ready?
Yes.
You ready? I guarantee you this better be a whole fucking prank.
What is
Cause
you
you
talking
gonna be walking. I'm not playing with you. You about to be walking.
You gonna let me walk?
Yes, I'm gonna make you walk.
Why you gonna make me walk?
Take your ass right to the bus stop. You ready?
For real, you about to take us for real?
No, I'm taking you to the bus stop. It's a bus stop right there. Don't you see it? Don't you see it? Then you just say you want to go to the bus stop.
Let me. You know what? I just cannot. I want to take me and my birthday bag.
It's a Rainbow's bag.
This ain't right, boy. This was $79.99. What are you talking about?
$79.99 what?
Yeah.
More like $7.99.
Let me go ahead and get my coat and my birthday bag.
Right, and take your Bluetooth.
And my rallies, you know what I'm saying? Since you want to put me out the car.
And your bacon.
It's okay.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Yes. Twerk.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? So, let me go ahead.
Tell me, just tell me it's a prank, like for real. Just tell me it's a prank right now.
Okay, you know what?
I swear to God, I can't do this shit.
Okay, you know what?
I can't do this shit.
Because you
get the
doing
acting
too
motherfucker.
much.
Hey, no, I'm not about to play with you, bro. I'm not about to play with you. You gonna make me.
It's a prank.
It better be a fucking prank. Stop chewing your gum like that.
I got him.
Okay, can you talk?
They say Mason.
See, Misha, but can you talk regular? I can't do it. Okay. Jesus, you ready to go now? God damn.
Okay, bye.